Good boy. Come on, Miles. Come on, Miles. We're out playing ball today. We've got our boy Harley here. Hi, buddy. He's working on his dog reactivity. So as Miles runs back with the ball, if Harley chooses to growl or go after Miles, he's going to get a correction. He's doing really good, though. He's only growled at the dogs one time, and it was Miles. Miles is an unfixed male, so he's not neutered. So a lot of times that makes other dogs overly excited. That was Izzy's ball. So he's doing really good just following me around. He's paying attention to Bug and Lee over there. Ready? Jazz! Come on, Jazz! Get your ball! Come on! Jazz likes the chuck it ball over the little ball I've got her playing with, so I'm actually making her play with the soft tennis ball like ball because she's so obsessive with these little chuck it balls. No. Go. You think, Harley? Harley's wearing a weighted vest just to help drain his energy a little bit, give him some more exercise and stimulation while we're out here today. Come on, Izzy. Come on, Izzy butt. Right here. So he's actually, notice how he's growling at Lee's running at us with the stroller. Shh. No. So that made him a little nervous. He had no idea what in the world that was. Just to give him little tugs on the leash. I'm obviously not going to do it right now, but nice tugs on the leash to let him know that he's not going to bark or growl or be negative at the stroller or some random guy. Obviously Lee's not random right now, but he didn't recognize who Lee was. See how nervous he is still, kind of? Come over here. Just walk right over to me. Yeah, very nervous. Shh. Sit. Yep, so to be able to give him those corrections, that's a better state. See how much more calm and relaxed he is. Whoever you want to throw it for. Very scared. He's a very scared guy. So that's what we want to work on with him, is his reactivity. A lot of people don't realize really dogs react like this negatively or react so aggressively, usually because they're scared. They're scared for their life. So he's just he's scared. Shh. Sit. So to let him know he doesn't have to be scared, he can trust me, he can trust Lee. It's really important. We have to recondition his brain for that. Sit. Obviously you can see Lee's not even doing anything but walking around, running around with the ball and the dogs. See? Shh. Sit. So it's important to remind Harley that Lee's not going to hurt him, I'm not going to hurt him, the dogs aren't going to hurt him. So to stay really nice and loose on my leash is important too. Come run by us again. Like run by us. So much better. That's how loose my leash is. You got Bug running around out there too. Sit. Sit. So even kids scare him. He's really, really nervous. So this is what he's going to have to do while he's here with us. We're going to have to recondition his brain to realize that don't be nervous of kids, don't be nervous of people, don't be nervous of other dogs. Just relax, Harley. Just take a chill pill, buddy. Harley is a very insecure dog. Very nervous about new things. So taking him up on a playground, having him around kids he doesn't know, having him do weird things, like going up and down the slide, plus wearing a backpack, is really good for his brain. He's got to work really, really hard on how to keep his feet, how to manage being on the slide. That's a really slippery area for him. Even the rocks are weird for him. Ooh, he likes it now. Look at him. You can see how uncomfortable dogs still kind of make him. He's a little nervous, but he's not reacting negatively. He's not going after another dog. And there's plenty of dogs out here to react towards. Oh! This lady over here has lost her dog. It looks like he's running around on her, so yeah, a little looks like a little mixed breed.